Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Infant. Infant means very young child. For example, healthy infants. Healthy infants. Synonyms: baby, newborn, young child.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Extended families help in caring for infants and young children. Now, repeat after me. Extended families help in caring for infants and young children. The second exemplar. Several delivery devices are available for infants and young children. Now, repeat after me. Several delivery devices are available for infants and young children. The third exemplar. Keep infants and young children away from newly mown grass. Now, repeat after me. Keep infants and young children away from newly mown grass.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The dot on top of I and J is called tittle. I didn't even know there was a word for it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.